Welcome back to AppleInsider, your home for everything tech. Today, we're diving into a device that has taken the mid-range smartphone market by storm, the Infinix Note 50 Pro Ultra. This phone isn't just another addition to the Note lineup, it's a statement from Infinix that innovation and premium design don't have to come at a sky-high price. So, let's break down what makes the Infinix Note 50 Pro Ultra one of the most impressive smartphones of 2025. First, let's talk about design and build quality. The Infinix Note 50 Pro Ultra immediately stands out with its sleek, premium finish that rivals flagship phones. The frame is crafted with aerospace-grade aluminum, giving it both strength and lightness. The back panel comes with a frosted glass texture that resists fingerprints while adding a luxurious touch. The phone feels incredibly refined in hand, slim, balanced, and sophisticated. Infinix has clearly paid attention to detail here. The camera module blends seamlessly into the body with a clean, geometric design that gives it a futuristic vibe. The Note 50 Pro Ultra also has curved edges that enhance comfort during prolonged use, while its Gorilla Glass Victus protection ensures durability. The attention to materials, finish, and ergonomics makes it look and feel far beyond its price segment. Even the color palette is designed to impress, available in Titan Gold, Galactic Silver, and Midnight Black. Each variant has a distinct personality that reflects modern design aesthetics. Now, moving to the display, this is where Infinix has made an enormous leap forward. The Note 50 Pro Ultra features a stunning 6.9-inch AMOLED panel with a 1.5K resolution and a buttery smooth 144Hz refresh rate. Every swipe, scroll, and animation feels seamless. The display delivers vibrant colors with exceptional contrast and HDR10+ support, making content come alive whether you're gaming, watching videos, or editing photos. The brightness peaks at 1300 nits, ensuring clear visibility even under direct sunlight. The bezels are ultra-thin, giving you an immersive, edge-to-edge viewing experience. The punch-hole camera cutout is minimal and non-intrusive, which enhances the cinematic feel of the screen. Touch response is sharp, and the adaptive refresh rate saves battery by intelligently adjusting based on the content you're viewing. Whether you're scrolling social media or binge-watching your favorite shows, the Note 50 Pro Ultra's display feels premium, smooth, and visually delightful. Next up, performance. Under the hood, the Infinix Note 50 Pro Ultra packs the powerful MediaTek Dimensity 8200 Ultra chipset, paired with up to 16GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage. This combination is a performance beast for its price. Everyday tasks are lightning fast, and gaming performance is remarkably stable. Titles like Call of Duty Mobile and PUBG run on high settings without frame drops. The phone handles multitasking effortlessly, switching between apps feels